Hello students. Students, in today's class we are going to discuss the topic of successors of Ashok. Ashok the great Mauryan ruler who died in 232 BC, and the last Maurya was the Brihadrath of Mauryan dynasty who died in 185 BC. In the topic of Maurya's successors or the successors of Ashoka, we have to discuss the time period from 232 BC to 185 BC and which rulers ruled during this particular time. They were the later Mauryas or they were the successors of the Mauryas also. उन Mauryas को हम लोगों को डिस्कस करना है इस क्लास के अंदर. They were known as the successors of Ashoka. Ashoka died in 232 BC as I told you, and he had 4 sons. Ashoka had 4 sons. First was the Tivara, who himself died during the time period of Ashok. Then second son was the Kunal, who was blind. Third son was Mahendra, to whom Ashoka sent to Ceylon in order to propagate Buddhism को फैलाने के लिए जिन्होंने अशोक ने महेंद्र को भेजा था सिलोन में. And the fourth son was Jaluka, who was the governor of Kashmir. These 4 sons, Ashoka had these 4 sons, and when Ashoka died in 232 BC, he was immediately followed by Kunal. And Kunal ruled from 232 BC to 224 BC. 232 से 24 BC तक का जो time period था, that was ruled by the Kunal. And this Kunal was the governor of Gandhar, and immediately after the death of Ashoka, he became the ruler of the Magad. And Kunal had 2 sons. One was Dashrath and second was Sampriti. And second was the Sampriti, and it was the Sampriti who ruled on the behalf of Kunal, because Kunal was blind. And Kunal died in 224 BC, and he was followed by Dashrath. And Dashrath ruled from 224 BC to 216 BC तक. तो दशरथ ने जो रूल किया वो 224 से 216 BC तक रूल किया, and he was followed by Sampriti. और दशरथ के टाइम में मगध के 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गया था, ईस्टर्न मगध एंड द वेस्टर्न मगध. ईस्टर्न मगध की जो कैपिटल थी दैट वाज पाटलिपुत्र, एंड दैट वाज अंडर दशरथ. एंड वेस्टर्न मगध वाज कैपिटल वाज उज्जैन, एंड दैट वाज अंडर संप्रीति. तो दशरथ के बाद जो नया रूलर बना वो था संप्रीति, जो मगध का रूलर बना. एंड संप्रीति रूल्ड फ्रॉम 216 टू 207 BC. Then Sampriti was followed by Shalishak, and this Shalishak ruled from 207 to 206 BC, and he was the most cruel, we can say that he was the most cruel Mauryan ruler. और इसके टाइम पीरियड के अंदर ग्रीस रूलर एंटियोकस ने भी अटैक किया था, और जलुका जो अशोका का 4th सन था उसने कश्मीर से अटैक किया था शालिशक के ऊपर. एंड दिस शालिशक वाज followed by Devavarman, and Devavarman ruled from 206 to 199 BC. Devavarman followed by Shatodhanush, and Shatodhanush ruled from 199 to 191 BC. And 199 के बाद जो रूलर हुआ, he was known as Brihadrath, who was the last Mauryan ruler, and this Brihadrath ruled from 199 to 185 BC. And that was the time period of the downfall of the Mauryas also. And the Brihadrath, that was the last Maurya, he was overpowered and killed by his own commander-in-chief, whose name was Pushyamitra Shunga. And Pushyamitra Shunga laid the foundation of Shunga dynasty after the Mauryas. So in brief, let us discuss once again who were the successors of Ashoka. So Ashoka was succeeded by Kunal first, and then Kunal was succeeded by Dashrath. Dashrath ruled from 224 to 216 BC, followed by Sampriti, who ruled from 216 to 207 BC, followed by Shalishak, who ruled from 207 to 206 BC. Devavarman ruled from 206 to 199 BC. Shatodhanush ruled from 199 to 191 BC, and Brihadrath, who was the last Maurya, who ruled from 191 to 185 BC. And after this Mauryan dynasty, there was the rise of Shunga dynasty, whose founder was Pushyamitra Shunga. So students, it was the topic of the successors of Ashoka.